explanation is not sufficient. What he orally said and what he has given in writing, there are two different things. आप लिखेंगे, मैं उसमें से तार निकालूंगा मैं तो। नहीं, गलती तो आपकी बिल्कुल, आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज आपकी गलती पूरी बता रही है वकील SHO साहब। आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज हमने सुबह ही नोट करी थी, हमने सुबह भी आपसे बना दिया है। इन लोगों को लगता है कोर्ट इनकी मर्जी पे चल रहा है।
What I filed the explanation of SHO.
But this explanation is not sufficient. What he orally said and what he has given in writing, there are two different things. What does he think? हम अंग्रेजी में एफिडेविट नहीं पढ़ पाएंगे। जो उन्होंने कहा और जो एफिडेविट में लिखा है दोनों अलग अलग चीजें हैं। लिखिएगा, श्री गौरव सिंह तिवारी, son of Shri Hargovind Singh Tiwari, SHO PS Kent, District Sagar, has filed an affidavit for not filing the case diary in time and inappropriately directing the victim to remain present before the court, whereas there was no such directions to the victim to remain present before the court. Full stop. I have perused the affidavit dated 10 August 2022. Next paragraph. In the affidavit, it is mentioned that SP Sagar had received a message in regard to sending of the case diary on 11/7/2022 from the office of the Advocate General that was forwarded to the present applicant on 12/7/2022. Full stop. Due to municipal elections in Sagar on 13/7/2022, maximum police force of the district was on duty in the election. Full stop. Therefore, case diary could thereafter nothing is mentioned that when election duty came to an end and why case diary was not sent thereafter when case was taken up by the High Court on 5/8/2022. Full stop. Similarly, no reason has been mentioned that why victim has been asked to appear before the court when there were no directions of this court to direct the victim to remain present and only notices were required to be served on the victim as she was already
in para 6 months he is mentioned.
क्या लिखा है पढ़िए?
That it is respectively submitted that the due to
ठीक है, लिखिएगा. In para 6 of the affidavit it is mentioned as under. ये कॉपी कर दीजिएगा. This ये आप जिसने एफिडेविट आपने बनवाया है ये? ठीक है, चलिए आनंद लीजिए अब. ठीक है. The aforesaid paragraph which reads that due to the routine procedure of sending wireless, wrongly the notice was served to the victim because in the wireless the party name is mentioned in place of victim is an admission of careless and casual approach of the concerned SHO. That things happen in his police station casually and in routine manner, and is an admission that he has no supervision and control over the activities of the police station Kent. आप लिखेंगे, मैं उसमें से तार निकालूंगा मैं तो। नहीं, गलती तो आपकी बिल्कुल, आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज आपकी गलती पूरी बता रही है वकील SHO साहब। आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज हमने सुबह ही नोट करी थी, हमने सुबह भी आपसे कहा था। नेक्स्ट पैरा. Though concerned SHO has tendered unconditional and unqualified apology for delay in submitting the case diary and has mentioned that he has highest regard for the orders passed by this honorable court, but there is no such material to substantiate his unconditional apology or to show even remotest of regard for the highest for this High Court. Full stop. It's a matter of concern that executive authorities are playing with the judicial process, and they have an impression that they can play with the courts and get away by tendering apology at the nick of the moment. Full stop. This impression needs to be dispelled. Courts are not working at the mercy of the executive police force. This is a serious matter. Apology tendered by Shri Tiwari is rejected. DG Police Madhya Pradesh is directed to conduct an inquiry, collect data as to in how many cases compliance is made and diaries are sent in time, and what is the percentage of cases in state of Madhya Pradesh where diaries are deliberately delayed, delaying the justice to the party concerned. He shall collate this information, furnish his affidavit, personal affidavit on or before next date, and will also inform that what action is proposed for the act of delinquency on the part of the concerned police officials in not obeying the court orders and not sending the case diaries in time, and wrongly communicating the orders in routine manner to the persons and harassing them, as is the case. As in the present case, notices were sent to the victim for appearance in a casual manner, as has been admitted by Shri Tiwari. Let affidavit of Director General of Police Madhya Pradesh be brought on record on or before next date. List this case on 18 August 2022. बिल्कुल मजाक बना दिया है। इन लोगों को लगता है कोर्ट इनकी मर्जी पे चल रहा है।